Hey guys, and welcome to today's video on my favorite page style 20. So this is my favorite page style number 20, and as you can see it's two corner pockets and then there is a large photo mat tucked into these pockets. And on the photo mat you could of course place two or maybe more smaller ones photos on there. And of course you could also place a photo behind it on the basic page. Then we need to attach tape right next to the scoring lines, and I actually like to use 3/8 of an inch score tape for this. And after attaching our tape, we want to cut off the corners of the little flaps we created with scoring. So for this, I like to turn around my cardstock and then I get my small scissors and I just cut it an angle right next to the scoring lines. And just make sure that you don't accidentally cut into the scoring lines, but just next to them. Once you have cut off the corners, you can go ahead and actually fold up the little flaps we created. And for this, turn around your cardstock because you don't want to fold it up on the side where you scored it or where you placed the tape on. So we want to fold it on the back side. And then I also like to get my bone folder and burnish it down. And after preparing cardstock element A, you can get your paper trimmer back and then you want to cut the cardstock element A into two pieces. So just cut it diagonal so that you then have two corner pockets, like two triangle shaped pieces. So now of course we also need two pattern paper pieces to cover our cardstock elements A. So get your pattern paper A and again just cut it diagonal so that you then have two triangle shaped pattern paper pieces. And now we can attach our pattern paper for the basic page onto our basic page. And when I attach my pattern paper onto my cardstock elements, I always prefer to use wet glue instead of tape because by using wet glue, you are still able to move around your pattern paper until you find the right position and have an even border of cardstock around it. And then we can attach our pattern paper A onto our cardstock element A. Now we can attach our cardstock elements A, our corner pockets, onto our basic page. And for this, I like to remove the tape backing from the top of the pocket and I still keep it on the corner. And then I can hold up the sticky side and just align the corner to the corner of the basic page. And once I have it in the right position so that it's even to the edges of the basic page, I can then remove the rest of the tape backing and press it down. So now we only need to attach our pattern paper B onto our cardstock element B. And again, to attach pattern paper, I use my red glue. And yeah, then you're basically done. So I just got my bone folder and burnished it down a little bit. And then you can place your photo mat, your cardstock element B, into the corner pockets. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did so, please give it a thumbs up and also I would love to get your feedback in the comments down below. So if you have any question, you could also leave it in the comments and then see you in my next video. Bye!